One of the questions we're asked more than almost any other is, how long do LED light panels actually last? It's an important question because once they're installed behind natural stone, everyone wants confidence that they're built to last. The answer actually starts long before the panels are ever switched on. Every project is custom engineered for the exact stone, dimensions, and application. Every panel is custom manufactured to the exact size and shape required for each project. Long service life doesn't happen by accident. It comes from using high-quality LEDs, properly engineered electronics, efficient power supplies, and careful thermal management. Heat is one of the biggest factors affecting LED longevity, so designing a system that manages temperature correctly is just as important as choosing quality components in the first place. When those elements work together, you end up with a lighting system that's built for years of dependable operation. Unlike traditional light sources, quality LEDs rarely just burn out overnight. Instead, they slowly lose brightness over many years of normal operation. A properly designed architectural LED light panel will typically provide somewhere between 25,000 and 35,000 hours of useful service before light output gradually begins to decline. Those aren't laboratory numbers. They're realistic expectations for a quality architectural lighting system. To put that into perspective, if your backlit stone feature is used for around 4 hours each day, a quality architectural LED system can provide approximately 17 to 24 years of everyday use. There's a very good chance you'll renovate your kitchen long before you'll ever need to replace the backlighting. Even in commercial environments where lights operate much longer every day, quality LED systems continue performing reliably for many years. Residential installations typically see even longer service because they're used for fewer hours each day. That's one of the reasons architectural LED backlighting has become such a trusted solution for luxury residential and commercial spaces around the world. I hope this has given you a better understanding of what to expect from a professionally engineered LED backlighting system. When quality components, proper thermal management, and thoughtful engineering come together, architectural LED panels are designed to provide decades of beautiful, dependable performance. If you're considering a backlit stone project, we've created a comprehensive backlighting guide that covers everything from design considerations and installation methods to electrical requirements and material selection. You can download the guide using the link in our bio or in the description below. You'll also find links to our featured projects, product information, and additional installation resources to help you plan your own backlighting project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.